बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर ऑडियंस और मेरे मोअज़्ज़ज़ उस्ताद कराम। डॉक्टर मुराद रास की ताज़ा तरीन प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस जिसमें उन्होंने स्कूल टीचर्स ऑफिसर्स के बारे में बहुत कुछ कहा है। क्या कहा है पूरी तफसील आपको आगे वीडियो में मिलेगी। इंशाल्लाह वीडियो पसंद आएगी। इससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करें, रेड बटन आपके बिल्कुल सामने, उसके साथ ही बेल आइकन का बटन है, जब उसको प्रेस करेंगे तो हमारी वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन जल्दी और आसानी से मिल जाएगा। तो मेरे मोअज़्ज़ज़ असातिज़ा कराम, बिला ताखीर वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं।
I think the most important thing in this whole education system that we are trying to build and trying to change is the teacher. You have a good teacher, that classroom will not have any problems. You have a good head teacher, that school will not have a problem. The key is the teacher. What our problem was when we came in 2018, they were running after their transfers, they were running after their ACRs, they were running after their promotions, they even were running around after their leaves that they had to take. They had to run around different offices, different places, and they had to run around for their retirements because they need to get the money, get the certificates, get everything. First thing we did, we put this transfer online. Almost 400,000 teachers now can apply for the past 2 years and get their QR code orders on their phone. They don't need to leave their home, they don't need to go to their office. Then was the leaves. They can apply on the phone now, they don't have to go anywhere. Then it was the ACRs, because everybody's worried how they're going to get promoted. So 12 million pages were scanned, 12 million. And now for the first time in the history of Pakistan, 400,000 people put their ACRs online. I think we have forced them to this digitalization. If nothing else, we have forced them. And I think they're really enjoying it as well because they don't have to run around all the time. And now they can get their retirement certificates online. So all this is done. The last thing we're working on is their promotions. I think it'll be done in the next 60 days. So I want to free the teacher of everything else and make sure they do what they're hired for. That's to teach our kids.